Good morning, dear students. In my last video, beta, I told you about these two types of mixture, homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Beta, these were two types of mixture based on their composition. Means on the basis of composition, there are two types of mixture, homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture which have uniform composition throughout, and heterogeneous mixture which do not have uniform composition throughout. Let me show you one more example. I have taken copper sulfate and dissolved it in water. You can see that copper sulfate is not visible now, it is completely soluble in it. So it is homogeneous mixture. Now I have taken copper sulfate and common salt and mixed it, but I have not dissolved water in it. You can see white and blue crystals are visible separately. So it is heterogeneous mixture because it is not having uniform composition throughout. Beta. Now on the basis of size of particles, again the mixtures are of three types. Beta. Number one, solution, suspension and colloid. I will teach you one by one, and then at the end we will do the difference between solution, suspension and colloid. Beta. Let me give you the example of all the three types of mixtures so that you can easily able to understand these three types of mixtures. Solution means water plus sugar, means the mixture which completely dissolves and no separate boundaries are visible. Suspension, water plus sand, or you can take flour also, used for making chapati. Beta, आटा जिसे कहते हो आप. And the third one is water plus small amount of milk you can take. We will do the difference later on. Let me start with solution. Beta. Now what is solution? It is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. It is called solution. Beta. For example, we used to make lemonade at home. Beta. What we used to do is that in that case we used to add water plus sugar, means we used to dissolve sugar in water. Beta, when we dissolve sugar in water, this is water and I am putting 1 spoon of sugar to it and stir the mixture, you will see that it will dissolve completely. For example, or you can dissolve salt also. It dissolves quickly as compared to that of the sugar, because sugar has slightly bigger particles or bigger crystals. The crystals of salt are small. It dissolves quickly and easily. You can see now it has become homogeneous mixture because salt is not visible. The salt particles occupy the space between the water molecules. Now, this is liquid and this is solid. Can we make the solution of to liquid also? or to solid also, or to gases also? Beta, yes, we can have the solution of to liquid also. For example, if we add cold drink plus water, both are soluble, both are liquid. If we add that iron plus carbon, or copper plus zinc, which is called brass, this is steel. You read in 9th standard also, beta. What is an alloy? These two are alloys. What is an alloy? An alloy is a homogeneous mixture of two or more metals, or metal and non-metal. You can see here both are solid. मीन्स अगर सॉलिड को आप मिक्स करते हो, प्रॉपरली मिक्स करते हो, मेल्ट करके मिक्स करते हो, तो वो क्या बन जाता है? वो भी एक सॉल्यूशन है. एलॉयज भी क्या है? सॉल्यूशन है. तो अगर आपको एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है कि गिव द एग्जांपल ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इन विच टू सॉलिड्स मिक्स विद ईच अदर, you can give the example of alloy like steel, brass, bronze, or any other example as per your choice. Now, solution of two gases. The example is air. Beta, air has oxygen gas, nitrogen gas, carbon dioxide gas, and some other gases which are in small quantity. But the main constituents are nitrogen, oxygen, and some amount of carbon dioxide gas. So air is also a homogeneous mixture, beta. So solution can be made by mixing two liquids, by mixing liquid means liquid plus solid, even by mixing two gases, even by mixing liquid plus gas. means अगर आप वाटर के अंदर ऑक्सीजन डिजोल्व करते हो, आपको पता है नदियों में, समुद्र में वाटर के अंदर ऑक्सीजन डिजोल्व होती है. दैट इज व्हाई एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स आर एबल टू सर्वाइव देयर, because they take oxygen dissolved in water. One more example, when we open the cold drink bottle, when we open it, suddenly carbon dioxide gas comes out of it. So cold drink bottle is an example. Cold drink is an example of the mixture of liquid and gas. Better in your book, these many examples are there. Do those examples and I will tell you the next topic. Now, what is solution? You can see here, solution is a mixture of two substances. The substance which is taken in large quantity is called solvent, and the substance which is taken in small quantity is called solute. For example, if I am mixing sugar in water, water is taken in more quantity as compared to that of the sugar. Means while making lemonade, we used to take 1 glass of water and add 1 spoon of sugar to it. Then sugar is a solute and water is a solvent. So, solvent is a substance in which solute is dissolved. This is all about solution. Now, our next topic is what is saturated solution? What is saturated solution? And one is unsaturated solution. Unsaturated solution. Listen better. For example, I am having this glass of water in which I have dissolved 1 spoon of salt. Now again I am dissolving 1 spoon of salt to it. Again if I keep on dissolving, after a certain limit you will see that no more salt can be dissolved in it. Beta, what I want to say is that, for example, I am having glass of water and I have dissolved 9 spoon of salt to it. 9 spoon of salt to it. Still now I can dissolve 1 more spoon of salt to it, then it will become 10 spoon of salt. Means I had dissolved 10 spoon of salt in this water. Now if I am going to dissolve 11 spoon in it, 11 spoon of salt in it, it will not dissolve. It will settle at the bottom. So there is no capacity in it. Means अब बीच का जो स्पेस है वो खत्म हो गया. अब इसमें और साल्ट डिजॉल्व नहीं हो रहा है. इट मीन्स द वाटर हैज बिकम सैचुरेटेड. अब जो आपका वाटर या सॉल्यूशन बिकम सैचुरेटेड, दैट सॉल्यूशन in which no more solute can be dissolved at a given temperature. बेटा मीन्स अभी इसका रूम टेम्परेचर, ये इसका टेम्परेचर नॉर्मल है, तो ये बन गया आपका सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन. जब मैंने इसके अंदर 9 स्पून डाले थे, अभी 10 स्पून उसमें डिजॉल्व हो सकता था, लेकिन मैंने अभी ऐड नहीं किया था. तब तक जब तक 9 स्पून थे तब तक ये था अनसैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन. Means it can dissolve 1 more spoon of salt in it. Means अपने अंदर 1 स्पून साल्ट का ये और डिजॉल्व कर सकता है, जिसमें और डिजॉल्व हो जाए तो वो क्या होता है, अनसैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन. लेकिन बेटा सुनो, अगर मैं इसका टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज कर देती हूँ तो आप क्या देखते हो, इसके अंदर और भी ये 11 या 12 स्पून साल्ट और ऐड हो जाएगा. तो इसका मतलब ऑन हीटिंग सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन बिकम अनसैचुरेटेड. नाउ वन मोर थिंग, सॉल्युबिलिटी. आपने क्या देखा, इस 1 ग्लास ऑफ वाटर के अंदर 10 स्पून ऐड हो गए. मीन्स इसकी सॉल्युबिलिटी क्या है, 10 स्पून ऑफ साल्ट. मीन्स सॉल्युबिलिटी ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन क्या है कि ये अपने अंदर 10 स्पून मैक्सिमम डिसॉल्व कर सकता है, उसके बाद इसमें डिसॉल्व नहीं होते. दैट इज द सॉल्युबिलिटी. मीन्स मैक्सिमम अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्यूट that can be dissolved in a given volume of solution or given amount of solution. किसी भी सॉल्यूशन में मैक्सिमम जितना साल्ट या सॉल्यूट डिसॉल्व हो सके, दैट इज द सॉल्युबिलिटी of that solution. Next, there are 2 type of solution beta, aqueous and non-aqueous. बेटा aqueous solution कौन से होते हैं, the solution made in water, जो पानी में बनते हैं, made in water. और solution which are not made in water. लुक है बेटा, नॉट मेड इन वाटर. सुनो, आपने लेमोनेड बनाया, नींबू पानी जो बनाया है, वो वाटर के अंदर आपने क्या ऐड किया, शुगर. तो दैट सॉल्यूशन इज मेड इन वाटर, दैट इज द एक्वस सॉल्यूशन. आप लोगों ने कई बार डॉक्टर के आगे थर्मामीटर एक लिक्विड के अंदर रखा देखा होगा. बेटा वो क्या है, उसको टिंक्चर ऑफ आयोडीन कहते हैं. उसमें क्या होता है, अल्कोहल होती है. अल्कोहल के अंदर थोड़ा सा आयोडीन डाला जाता है. अल्कोहल में आयोडीन डिसॉल्व हो रहा है. दिस सॉल्यूशन इज नॉट मेड इन वाटर, सो इट इज नॉन एक्वस सॉल्यूशन. आई थिंक नाउ दीज टॉपिक्स आर क्लियर टू यू.